The top 10 intercontinental ballistic missiles represent the most advanced nuclear deterrence systems globally, combining extreme range, payload capacity, accuracy, survivability, and penetration capabilities. These missiles form the backbone of nuclear triads maintained by major powers such as Russia, the US, China, France, and India. Technological advancements like MIRVs, hypersonic glide vehicles, canisterite launches, and satellite-aided navigation have significantly enhanced their effectiveness deployed on land, sea, and mobile platforms. These missiles ensure credible deterrence and strategic stability in an era of evolving missile defense systems. Intercontinental ballistic missiles (ICBMs). Intercontinental ballistic missiles are the most powerful long-range nuclear delivery system in modern warfare. These missiles can strike targets beyond 5,500 kilometers, traveling through space before re-entering Earth's atmosphere at hypersonic speed exceeding Mach 20. ICBMs can be launched from underground silos, mobile road launchers, or submarines, ensuring survivability and second strike capability. Equipped with multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles (MIRVs), a single missile can hit multiple targets simultaneously. As of 2025, Russia possesses the world's largest ICBM force with around 306 strategic missiles capable of carrying nearly 1185 nuclear warheads. Top 10 Intercontinental Ballistic Missile List. The list of top 10 intercontinental ballistic missiles has been given below. RS-28 Sarmat, Russia. DF-41 China. LGM-35 Sentinel, United States. Trident-2 D5 United States and United Kingdom. RS-24 Yars, Russia. M51 France. R-29 RMU 2.1 Lena, Russia. LGM-30G Minutenos, 3rd United States. JL-2 China. Agni 5 India. RS-28 Sarmat, Russia. RS-28 Sarmat, also called Satan II, is Russia's heaviest and longest range intercontinental ballistic missile designed to defeat all existing missile defense systems globally. Features launch weight 208 tons, length 35.3 meters, maximum range up to 18,000 kilometers. Liquid-fueled silo-based missile carries 10-15 MIRVs or 3 Avangard hypersonic glide vehicles. Individual warhead yield up to 750 kilotons. Uses fractional orbital bombardment systems. Can approach targets via South Pole trajectory. Central pillar of Russia's strategic deterrence. DF-41 China. DF-41 is China's most advanced road mobile ICBM, enhancing survivability and long-range nuclear strike capability. Features range 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers, solid fuel 3-stage missiles, speed approximately Mach 25, capable of carrying up to 10 MIRVs, uses BDO satellite aided guidance, accuracy 100 meters CEP, operated by PLA Rocket Force, entered service around 2017. LGM-35 Sentinel, United States. LGM-35 Sentinel is a next-generation silo-based ICBM replacing Minuteman III for long-term land deterrence. Range approximately 13,000 kilometers. 3-stage solid-fuel missile. Warhead W-87 Mod 0 or Mod 1 347 475 KT. Managed by Northrop Grumman. Program cost about USD 140.9 billion. Deployment planned around 2030. Designed to remain operational until 2075. Trident-2 D5 United States. Trident-2 D5 is a highly accurate submarine launch missile forming the sea-based nuclear deterrent of NATO powers. It was developed by United States, although used by both the United States as well as United Kingdom. Features range about 12,000 kilometers, speed Mach 24, carries up to 8 MIRVs, accuracy 90 meters CEP, deployed on Ohio class and Vanguard submarines, over 190 successful test launches, operational since the 1990s. RS-24 Yars, Russia. RS-24 Yars is a modern Russia solid fuel ICBM designed for both silo and mobile deployment. Feature: range 10,500 kilometers, launch weight 49,000 kg, carries up to 10 MIRVs, warhead yield 150 to 300 kilotons, uses inertial plus GLONASS guidance, accuracy 250 meter CEP, equipped with advanced decoys and penetration at M51 France. M51 is a France primary submarine launch ballistic missile ensuring independent nuclear deterrence capability at sea, range 8,000 km, 3-stage solid fuel missile, launch weight 53,000 kg, carries 4 to 6 MIRVs, warhead TN75 or TNO up to 150 kilotons, deployed on Triumphant class submarines, operational since 2010. R-29 RMU 2.1 layer Russia. R-29 RMU 2.1 layer strengthens Russia's naval nuclear forces with flexible warhead configuration and extended strike range up to 12,000 km. Submarine launched from Delta IV class, carries up to 12 low-yield MIRVs designed to overwhelm missile defenses, uses advanced countermeasures and decoys, ensures credible second strike capability. LGM-30G Minuteman III United States. Minuteman III remains the backbone of America's land-based nuclear deterrent despite gradual replacement plans. Features range 13,000 km, in service since 1970, 3-stage solid fuel missile, current load a single W78 or W87 warhead, yield 300 to 475 kilotons, accuracy 120 meter CEP, deployed in hardened underground silos. GL2 China. GL2 provides China with its first credible sea-based nuclear deterrence capability through submarine deployment. Features range 7,000 to 8,000 kilometers, deployed on Type 094 Jin class submarines, solid fuel propulsion, carries 3 to 4 MIRVs, warhead yield 90 kilotons each, uses inertial and satellite assisted guidance. Agni 5th India. Agni 5th is India's longest range missile, enabling credible minimum deterrence and strengthening strategic reach beyond Asia. Features range 7,000 to 8,000 km, 3-stage solid fuel missile, road mobile and canisterized launch systems, speed up to Mach 24, carries 36 MIRVs, future capability 10 to 12, accuracy less than 10 meter CEP, uses inertial navigation with NAVIC GPS support, core component of India's nuclear triad.